Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we are going to fix NVIDIA graphic card was not detected in your system. We start by opening the device manager. Next, we open the display adapters section and go to our graph. After that, we right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Then we will click on Search automatically for drivers and the drivers will be installed. If this option is not available or you continue to have problems, we can reinstall the drivers manually. First, let's start by checking the model of our graphics card if we don't know it. To do this, from display adapters, we can see the model name of the NVIDIA graphics card. With this, we go to the official NVIDIA website where it has the drivers section and whose link you have in the description. Afterwards, we are going to place the data of our model in each section. In the download type section, you will have to choose between Game Ready, if you prefer compatibility associated with games, or the Studio type, if you prefer greater compatibility in workflows such as editing. Then, click on Search and wait for the drivers for our graphics card to be found. Once they are found, we can click on Download. After downloading, we can open the drivers file and install them following the steps that appear. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once the process is finished, we will have the drivers for our NVIDIA graphics card installed. Finally, also check if you have updates available on your computer from Check for Updates, and if so, installed. If you have the Armory Crate app, make sure that within GPU mode you have Standard mode on and Eco mode off. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.